Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers! It's your favorite teacher here, ready to make long division as easy as pie. If you're having fun, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. We've got tons of math adventures waiting for you. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 232. We're bringing down the first digit, which is 2. Easy peasy. How many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it, just once. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 2, leaving us with 0. Great job. You're doing awesome. We're on a roll. We've finished with the first digit. Let's move on to the next one. Now let's grab the next digit, which is 3. Get ready. We bring down the 3 next to our remainder 0, making it 3. Look at that. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Time to multiply. 1 times 2 equals 2. Let's subtract. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Perfect. Woohoo, you're crushing it. Just one more step. We've got 1 digit left. Let's bring it down to finish the race. Last but not least, let's bring down the final digit 2. We're almost there. We combine our remainder 1 with the digit 2, forming the number 12. Wow. How many times does 2 go into 12? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 6. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 is 12 exactly. Subtracting 12 from 12 leaves us with 0. We did it. Amazing work, math superstar. You've conquered this problem. And that's it. We've divided 232 by 2. You totally rocked this. So, we discovered that 232 divided by 2 is 116 with no remainder. We've successfully divided 232 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be tamed with a cool strategy like long division. Keep practicing, and you'll be a math whiz in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more math fun. See you next time, Math Explorers.